everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today me and my kid are on a little trip. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, we are here
at Odyssey.
Colt, are you excited for Odyssey?
Yeah.
Did I just call instructions? Bye, guys.
This is the bathroom.
We're going so high up. These are it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he has the head for a cat and the rest for a fish. Oh, hello. Hey, look at you, they have meanderings. See that? See that?
I do, buddy. Look at it down there. Look at the sloth. Colt, are you having so much fun?
Yeah. We eat all that and we see another. Mandarin. On top. It's the Mandarin. I didn't know they had noses. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Not going down when I come down. Fire.
What color is this fish?
Oh my god, that has a big eyeball. It has a big eyeball. I literally fell through. Dory! I see her.
Oh, you see Dory?
Yeah, right there. Fishes took a bite out of.
Well, I don't know if that's.
He does it.
I don't know if that one's in here anymore, buddy.
I want to feed him. Oh my god, he's smaller than I expected. His tail's like, oh. I see.
Look at this big grouper.
There's actually number 5.
He looks at you sideways.
Did you see his eyes?
And he gives you that side.
Like the Nemo movie, then if you watch Nemo's.
And that's the end. And up top is, of course, the gift shop. Okay, that was it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us.